For this question here, we're given the regression equation and some values in this table to determine the missing values. So at the bottom here, we have a copyable version of the table, which I already copied and pasted into Excel. So here in Excel, we have the y-intercept A to be negative 19.72 and the slope to be 10.27. Now we know that the regression equation is y hat equals a plus bx, and if we want to solve for x, we can have y hat minus a equals bx, so y hat minus a over b will be x. And also we know that y minus y hat is residual, or the error. So if we want to solve for y, that will be y hat plus residual, y minus residual will be y hat. So armed with that, we can find the missing values here. So for y hat for the first one, that will be equal to, so we take the intercept here, plus the slope times x. The x value here is 62, so that will give us the value of y hat. And then we can find the residual by taking the difference. Y minus y hat is the residual. If I jump to this here, again, y hat here is going to be a plus b times x. And then to find the missing y value, I can do equals y hat plus residual. In this bottom one here, I can just find the residual by taking y minus y hat. And to find x here, I can use this formula here. So x is going to be, open bracket, I need y hat minus a over b. So if I jump here to this one, I have y and residual. So I can first find y hat by taking equals y minus residual. And to find x, again, I can use that equation over here. So x is going to be, again, open bracket, it's going to be y hat minus a, close bracket, over b. And then finally here, I can do the same thing over here. My y is going to be equal to y hat plus residual. And x, again, is going to be y hat minus a over b. And that's it. That's how to answer that question.